Good morning, class 5. So, yesterday we have done this LCM using prime factorization method, and today we are going to do second method of LCM, that is LCM by common division method. Okay, common division method. As for HCF, we have used division method like this, single we have divided, but in LCM we do common division method. Means we have to take all the numbers of which we want the LCM all together, and we have to divide the numbers with the same table, okay, which have to take the common multiple or common factor. So take this example first. 20, 25, 30 and 36. We have to take out the LCM of these four numbers. Okay, so what you have to do? First, as we know, we always start dividing with the smallest prime number. So we'll take 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 0. Okay, then from 2, 25 is not divisible, so we'll write 25 as it is. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. So completed. Now again we can divide with 2. These two numbers are divisible by 2, so we again divide by 2. 2 fives are 10. This is not divisible, this is also not divisible, so we'll write as it is. Then 2 nines are 18. Now we'll take 3. From 3, this 15 5 times and 9 3 times are divisible. So we have divided 9 and 5. Now again we have to divide by 3. 3 ones are 3. Rest we have written as it is. Now we can divide these 5, 25 and 5 by 5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 fives are 25. 5 ones are 5. Again 5. 1, 1, 1. So the basic concept is, for doing the LCM, it is not necessary that all the numbers should be divisible with the same table. Okay, if 2 numbers or 3 numbers or single number is also divisible, then we divide, but we always start dividing from the smallest prime number. Okay, till here. When we get this 1, 1, 1 here, then only we stop. Okay, when we get this 1, 1, 1 in the downside, then only we stop. After that, all the numbers which comes to this side, we have to write, and simply we have to multiply it to get the LCM. 1, I'll show you. See question number 2. So I have written exercise 8C, classwork, today's date 1st of July. Question number 2, LCM using division method. So we'll start. I will show you one question. Let's take question number D. Okay, so question number D I am doing for you. 21, 33, 42, 44. 21, 33, 42 and 44. So we have to do it using common division method. So we'll write the numbers, we'll take the division line, then we'll divide. Always we start with the smallest prime number. So 2, 21 can't be divided, we'll write as it is. 33 also. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Now again we'll divide with 2. 21 as it is, 33 as it is, 21 as it is. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Now none of the number is divisible by 2, so we'll start by 3. 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Again 3 7s are 21, 11 as it is. Now we'll take 7. 7 1s are 7, 11 as it is. 7 1s are 7, 11 as it is. Then 11 1s are 11 1s are 11, 1 as it is, 11 1s are 11. So we have to divide till we get 1 here at the downside. Now we have to take out the LCM. So therefore LCM is equal to, no need of writing the numbers, is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 7 multiply 11. These all numbers. Okay, now you have to multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. Now 84, 11s are Okay, 84 11s are, you can do rough. 84 11s are 84, then 84, 4 2 1. That is, your answer will be 924. Okay, so your answer is 924. This is your LCM. Okay, one more question. Should we take one more question? Okay, we'll take this G1. Is it okay? Okay, G1. So G, 26, 39, 65 and 52. Okay, now we do the division. 39, 65, 52. Let's divide now. Okay, we'll start with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 39 as it is, 65 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12. Completed. Again we can divide with 2. 13 as it is, 39 as it is, 65 as it is. Add these numbers are not divisible by 2. Now again 1 and 3. 2 13s are 26. Now what should we do? Which number should we take? In which all comes or one of the any of the one comes? We will divide with 3 first. 13 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Then 65 as it is, 13 as it is. Now which number should we take? We can divide this by 5. So we'll divide by 5. 13 as it is, again 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Now 13. Now we can divide by 13. 13 1s are, 13 1s are, 13 1s are, 13 1s are. See, we have get this 1 1 1. Now we'll take out the LCM. So LCM is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 13. After multiplying this, you will get the answer as LCM. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 60 13s are. So 13 6s are 78 and 0. So this is your answer. This is the way to do LCM using division method. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, so what is your homework for today? Your homework is you have to complete this exercise 8C in your copy, question number 1 as well as question number 2. So question number 1 was your yesterday's homework. Yes, and this is your today's homework. Okay, yesterday's homework and today's homework. I will send both the PDF 2 questions now to you. With the video only I will send you this PDF. Okay, look at this. If there is any doubt, look at this again and do it in your copy. All the sums you have to do in your copy. Am I clear? Okay, see you then tomorrow again with the next topic. That will do tomorrow. Relation between HCF, LCM and the numbers. Okay then, see you. Till then, bye bye. See you.